Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. And if you're my returning viewers, keep watching and God bless you. In this video, we are going to be learning Igbo sentences, how to communicate in Igbo language. I'm going to be teaching you guys in this video how to communicate in Igbo language. Keep watching, we'll be right back. Welcome back. And how to communicate with people, how to communicate with family and friends, how to communicate with Igbo people. In case you find yourself in the midst of Igbo people, you can hear what they are saying, you can understand the language, you can also communicate with them. And with that, is really going to help you. So guys, let's start. Bia. You know what is bia? Come. When Igbo person tell you bia is come. Bia is come. Bia eba is come here. Bia eba, come. Bia, come. Gawa, go. Gawa, go. Gawa, go. Chere, wait. Chere, wait. Chere, wait. Chere, wait. Stand up. Oroto, stand up. Oroto, stand up. Norodo, sit down. Norodo, sit down. Now let me make a sentence with norodo, which is sit down. I am sitting down. I am sitting down. Anom odo. I am sitting down. Anom odo. I am standing up. Akwụm ọtọ. I am standing up. Akwụm ọtọ. I am standing up. Akwụm ọtọ. I am sitting down. Anom odo. In case you want to say, I want to sit down. Achọrọ m ịnọrọ ọdụ. I want to sit down. Achọrọ m ịnọrọ ọdụ. I want to stand up. Achọrọ m ịkwụrụ ọtọ. I want to stand up. Achọrọ m ịkwụrụ ọtọ. I want to stand up. Achọrọ m ịkwụrụ ọtọ. Run, gbaa ọsọ. Run, gbaa ọsọ. Then if you want to make a sentence with run, I want to run. Achọrọ m ịgba ọsọ. I want to run. Achọrọ m ịgba ọsọ. I am running. I am running. M na-agba ọsọ. I am running. M na-agba ọsọ. Listen. I want to run. Achọrọ m ịgba ọsọ. I want to run. Achọrọ m ịgba ọsọ. Then I am running. M na-agba ọsọ. Do you understand the difference? I am running. M na-agba ọsọ. I want to run. Like when you say, I want to run. Achọrọ m ịgba ọsọ. Then, I am running. M na-agba ọsọ. I am running. M na-agba ọsọ. I want to sit down. Achọrọ m ịnọrọ ọdụ. I want to sit down. Achọrọ m ịnọrọ ọdụ. I am sitting down. Anọ ọdụ. You are already sitting down. Ịnọ ọdụ. Do you understand? I am already sitting down. Anọ m ọdụ. I am sitting down. Anọ m ọdụ. Now, when you say, I want, do you understand? I want to sit down. Achọrọ m ịnọrọ ọdụ. Achọrọ m ịnọrọ ọdụ. Achọrọ m ịnọrọ ọdụ. How are you? Kee otu ị How are you? Kee otu ị dị. Kee otu ị mere. How are you? Kee otu ị dị. Kee otu ị mere. Some people say kee otu ị dị. Some people say kee otu ị mere. How are you? Kee otu ị mere. Kee otu ị dị. Then for you to reply, I am fine. Adị m mma. 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 Have you wake up? Are you awake? Iteela. Itetala. Iteela. Itetala. Have you wake up? Are you awake? Iteela. Itetala. Iteela. Itetala. Iteela. Itetala. My leg is paining me. My leg is paining me. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Ụkwụ is leg. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Ụkwụ na-afụ m ụfụ. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Ụkwụ na-afụ m ụfụ. Two different things. Ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Ụkwụ na-afụ m ụfụ. My hand is paining me. Aka na-ara m ahụ. Aka na-afụ m ụfụ. My hand is paining me. Aka na-ara m ahụ or aka na-afụ m ụfụ is the same thing. Just like ụkwụ na-ara m ahụ. Ụkwụ na-afụ m ụfụ. Aka na-ara m ahụ. Aka na-afụ m ụfụ. I am having headache. Ishi na-awa m. Ishi na-awa m. I am having headache. Ishi na-awa m. Give me water to drink. Give me water to drink. Nye m mmiri ka m ṅụọ. Give me water to drink. Nye m mmiri ka m ṅụọ. Give me water to drink. Nye m mmiri ka m ṅụọ. Give me the cup. Nye m mmiri iko. Iko is cup. Mmiri is water. Give me the cup. Nye m mmiri iko. Nye m mmiri iko. Give me the cup. Give me is nye m. Keep it. Dosa ya. Keep it. Dosa ya. Keep it. Dosa ya. Keep it. Like keep that book. Keep that cup. Keep that paper. Dosa ya. Dosa ya. You understand? Dosa ya. I don't want. Achom. I don't want. Achom. I don't want. Achom. I want to go to school. Achọrọ m ịga ụlọ akwụkwọ. I want to go to school. Achọrọ m ịga ụlọ akwụkwọ. I want to go to school. Akpa is bag. Akpa is bag. Say it with me. Akpa. Bag. Akpa is good. Akpa is bag. Akpa is good. Say it again. Akpa is bag. Bag is akpa. Good. Say it again. Bag is good. Clothes is called efe. Efe. Clothes is called efe. But some people say uwe. Clothes is efe. Uwe. Efe or uwe. Clothes is efe. Or uwe. Clothes is efe. Or uwe. Some people call uwe. Some people call efe. Some people call aqua. Three of them, they are all the same. Efe, uwe, aqua. That is clothes. All is clothes. Efe, uwe, aqua. They are all clothes. clothes. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it or you'll be notified. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.